Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to resolve Apple Pay card errors. Alright, if you've been wondering how to resolve Apple Pay card errors, and then this video is definitely going to help you out. It's going to be a quick one. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get that done, as well as a couple of common errors and how to solve them. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's just get straight into the video. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about are the common Apple Pay card errors. You got errors such as a card not added or card not supported, as well as a card verification failed or insufficient funds or a transaction declined. We have errors such as those, and now I'm going to show you guys how to resolve some of these errors. Now, the first thing you got to do is to check card eligibility. So you got to ensure that the card is eligible for Apple Pay. You also want to verify card information. So just check that the card information is correct and up to date. You also want to make sure that you check the card balance and just ensure that there are sufficient funds on the card. And you can reach out to the bank or card issuer to resolve any other issues with the card. You can also try removing the card from Apple Pay and re-adding it. Now, for resolving some of these specific errors, for the card not added error, you want to just restart your device and check for software updates. Also, you want to try adding the card back again and seeing if that takes care of that. For card not supported errors, you want to contact your bank or card issuer to see if they support Apple Pay. For card verification failed error, you want to check your card information and try verifying the card once again. It could be that you just made an error on one of the details and whatnot. For insufficient fund error, you just simply need to add funds to your card, or you can just use a different payment method if you want. For card transaction decline error, you just want to contact your bank or your card issuer to help you resolve that issue. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to troubleshoot Apple Pay card. If you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I will see you guys in the next